Hello guys, it's your SnapFix here, DIY assistant. In today's very video edition here, I'm going to be sharing one of the most secretive information about car AC that often give a concern, a silent concern. And it's going to keep most mechanic combing the whole place. You have a high hope here that what's actually disturbing the car is here, but not actually considering that it could be just very something little. So without wasting your time, let's get in there. I just finished working on a car, and this very client, this very customer has been jumping from one car AC mechanic to another. I just finished getting everything working, got a used compressor in there, and it's blowing mad cold. Just about to get this thing off, to get the manifold gauge set off, I start getting a leak. From where? From here. I'm seeing raw refrigerant, and we're talking about some kind of problem that wouldn't even allow the refrigerant to last up to a day. So here is the culprit. So most oftentimes these parts here is not designed to last forever. You can push the pin in and out, which is going to be releasing some refrigerant, but that's just a quick way to see if it's going to resolve it. But this part is very inexpensive, so a simple replacement of it can save you a lot. I mean, thousands of dollars in repair. So, and most oftentimes when it fails, it's not necessarily that it got anything broken. Probably the O-ring seal is weak, or probably the second down O-ring seal here is weak, or the springs which you're seeing here is weak. Any of them can actually contribute into messing up your car AC system and spending a lot, compressor damage, and a whole lot of problem right there. So my best bet in this kind of situation is replace it as an inexpensive part, and you're gonna be thanking me later, right? So for now, this is where it's gonna be. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with others who are practicing DIY, so I can save money, because this is a very inexpensive part and it shouldn't cost too much to actually replace. Except even though if you have refrigerant inside it, they can reclaim the refrigerant before replacing it. So this is the old one right here. That was the old one, and that was a new one. So guys, catch you later. Bye for now.